Get them from normal engrams though. After you get them.
Uh,
I'm recording this. Let's make it look good.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna make any promises.
It's all good. We'll do our best.
I mean, guys' go fucking sparrows are so quick. What the hell?
I'm pissed I can't see my like trail of my sparrow. It looks fucking cool from what I can see, all the little zigzag lines, but
Your trail is weird. Every time, no, your both trails are weird. Every time I see you guys boost, it's like it's shooting lasers everywhere.
well, Never's
I don't know
got the
why it's
different
doing that.
one. I've got the Curse of Osiris one.
I got the winter exclusive one, and that's it. So there's snow behind me.
Yeah, I've got that one on one of my. I think my Titan has that one.
I actually paid for mine.
No,
No, I'm just kidding.
I bought the armor with Bright Dust. Other than that, I got lucky getting this out of the Ingram.
Alright. You guys ready? Wait, let me make sure
Alright,
I
round
got.
two.
Alright, so I've got a pulse rifle. Alright. Void, solar, okay. I don't got any arc thing equipped. You guys got arc on?
I got you
One of
took care of.
I have an Arc Heavy. I have an Arc
Alright.
Heavy.
Yeah, if we can get to the boss, we should be able to wreck them pretty fast with 2 Nighthawks, and we wait for solar.
I'll just use mine for ads when it comes time.
You can make us some orbs. That'll be good.
There we go.
So when we get inside, like where you're fighting the tanks, should we just skip the first tank and just go straight up to the second one on the elevator?
Yeah.
When we go in there, the best way to go is everybody go right and around the back. One person hitting the switch. And we won't disturb none of the ads
Yep.
on that left. We shouldn't. Solar.
It's void now. Hey, they have snowballs here. Maybe we can
Yeah.
kill them quicker.
I don't have no rocket to help take down the ship when it comes out. So,
Neither do I. I got Merciless.
I have the Warcliffe. I got that
Arc
one.
right now.
I'll probably take it down. I just need to get close enough.
oh, very
Yep,
nice.
it's out.
Snipers on that left side over there. We got to get them.
Alright, I'll get him.
Got one of them. There's also near you, Oakley, behind there where the snipers are, off the edge. There's
Yeah,
one back
that's
there.
anomaly. Yeah, I know. I'll grab it.
Solar.
That last tank didn't finish refueling before it got airlifted out. Amanda told me Cabal fuel.
Snowballs actually work good here or no? I don't think so. Nope.
Shit, shit, shit,
Does
shit,
blind
shit,
them
shit,
though,
shit,
at
shit.
least.
Fucking void.
Oh wait, why am I using this? It's void.
There we go. Alright, I'll grab the thing.
You were right. He grabbed it.
I'm going right here.
Not what anyone should have done.
Alright.
I guess I should be looking for anomalies.
I'm gonna go
And
slam
we
it
still have to kill
if I
that. Do we have to
can.
kill that yellow guy? Or...
Alright, slammed it. Oh, get the fuck out of there. Oh, I see one.
Watch out for these sounds jumping up.
I see another one.
Solar.
There we go. Holy hell.
So good.
Do not walk out around that corner.
One yellow guy down.
Oh god! I got 2 anomalies though.
I need to go void.
Yo.
Alright, I'm up.
Thank God.
Let's burn this guy.
What is it? Void? This prophecy gun is pretty good too. The infinite pass one. Pulse rifle. The second pulse rifle you get.
Oh shit, there's an anomaly in there to the right. When you look in here. It's right behind
Oh,
that.
I see it.
I see it.
Cool.
Is that another one up there? No, okay.
Still haven't been able to track down Zeppelin. Cabal usually like to be found.
This guy's no ordinary space miner. His weapons ain't half bad either.
Those weapons have snuffed out too many good people.
I got that feeling we just missed a lot of anomalies, but
I feel like it
I don't
too.
have any more on my map right now. We probably missed a couple.
This looks familiar.
I see one back here.
hey,
Is there any around here?
I don't never look.
Yeah, if you look on your map, it says anomaly detected. There's one in your area.
Yeah, there's one somewhere around here.
There's one around here
I
somewhere.
just don't want to take the time to look for it.
Yeah, no.
Big ass area. Oh wait, I found
That's
one.
what I'm doing. If I don't see him
Yeah,
right
I found
away, I kind of just move on.
No, that's not it. That's definitely not it. Nope, made a mistake.
Yeah, no, I'm just moving on. Fuck that.
That's screw this shit. I'm not gonna die. Oh wait, no, I actually did find one this time.
I'm gonna wait for y'all till I go in here. We need 2 people to jump up and hit this switch because of the ads. Just to be safe.
I'm coming.
Me and Nike will grab it if you want to go all the way around the back.
No sign of Zal. That elevator is
Yeah, these Cabal right here are a bitch.
forward and up.
Cabal made an elevator that goes forward? Man, they are inefficient.
Oh, there's an anomaly. Alright.
Oh god, if that tank don't
Yeah,
kill me.
there's a couple here.
Alright, let's go.
Ow. Ow.
Oh,
Ow.
well, if you see an anomaly, grab it, but...
I got another one. Alright, cool. I know where a couple are in here now.
Yeah, there's one more up top up there too, I think. I think I've seen it.
I see
Solar,
another one.
Void's next. If one of y'all want to, when it hits Solar, go ahead and pop your super on these ads if you have it. This is,
We'll use a bullet though, because it's only
There we go.
one bullet. with
that's fine.
Nighthawk.
Anything that kills them. Otherwise, I'm just gonna do this.
Oh fuck. Fuck.
Void.
I'm dead.
Shit.
I shot 3 or 4 anomalies in there though.
There's only 2 ads left up there. One shielded, one's not.
Yeah, I can't. Having trouble taking down the shield one.
We hit that switch. Oh
Got
wait,
him.
let me get a rocket.
Yeah, I
launch.
got it. Oh, Arc, perfect.
I got a grenade.
Damn, that ship is already almost down. God damn.
Yeah, we caught it with a burn. We got a good rocket on it. Oh my god, dude, what the?
Fucking die.
Yeah. Okay,
There.
There we go.
kill this guy. Oh, I found an anomaly. Got it. The best way to do this next part, if you guys want to, when we jump in or go in, go directly to the right. There's that little hallway you can jump up on. Clear that first bridge. Once it's clear, we jump up on the back of the ship, and from on top of it, we should be able to nade and clear out the second one really easy and activate instead of having to fight all these ads.
Alright, you lead the way. I'll follow you.
Alright.
I know there's a non. Apparently, there should be a lot of anomalies in this next room, and not to bring our time back up.
There's only one shielded guy in this hallway. Oh, there's an anomaly there.
There he is. Rock-Zan is here.
There's one up
There's
here.
another one up there. Yep.
There's one up here. There's another one back there. I'm gonna try to get it real quick. There you go. Yeah, a minute back, or 2 minutes back, technically.
Alright, come up in this room right here.
3
To the
minutes.
right when y'all come in.
I'm trying to get that turret. There we go.
See another anomaly.
Okay, I got you, Never. There's one right behind you, too.
Pretty much got 3 minutes back.
Alright. Run down here and jump up on top of this ship.
Just wait, we got a dude right here. Oh, never mind.
Holy crap! Where the fuck did you shoot all those at?
I don't know who did that. I just shot a rocket.
That was probably it. You shot 4.
I see another anomaly.
Yeah, all the way back there in the
Yeah, I
back.
see one back there. Got it.
Yep.
We got to be careful. We'll stay up here. What's going to happen, I think, is when I activate this thing, there's a few ads that's going to spawn on this bridge late.
Oh, they spawn on the other part, don't they?
There's one. Come on down to this bridge right here where I'm at. They're going to spawn most of the time up here with us.
Yeah, they're over here. They spawn on the elevator thing.
No, behind you. Look to your left. Those are the ones I'm talking about right
Okay.
here.
Oh, yep.
Alright. Oh shit. I got my super, so depending on what it's on when we get up there, we'll just time it and try to wait a little bit.
Yeah, I got my super, too.
I think it might be. I think solar might be next.
Let's jump down. We should be okay. I got 6 rockets.
Yep, solar's next.
Just hide from them.
We'll wait.
I don't know if we're gonna have.
If solar's not up, we'll just wait. We got plenty of time. We'll wait till it comes back
just
around.
wait for solar.
We'll just hide and kill ads or
We'll
something.
probably hide. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Sounds like.
We'll kill the turrets that he summons right away.
I'm not even gonna try to shoot him yet.
I'm just gonna shoot the turrets.
I'm gonna stay somewhere safe.
Turrets up.
Andrew 12. You know what? Just be careful.
Void. And then solar. Or is it arc?
Arc.
Alright, we'll wait then. I'll probably pop mine the same time you guys do yours anyways. Oh no, you know what? I'm gonna wait.
Damn, dude, he like 2 shots you.
Stand somewhere close to him.
I'm hitting him with my void a little bit.
Arc. I mean, I can use my rocket, but I don't know if it'll.
No. Wait, let's get the super.
Alright,
Let's
so
get
I've got Merciless, and I've got, Nighthawk. I'm gonna super him with Nighthawk, and then Merciless the shit out of him.
If we do enough
Nighthawk
damage,
then
he won't
we're
go up to that first tower. If he does, he's coming right back down. All we gotta do is get past the bar and a half.
And come on.
Get ready. 3, 2, bam.
Yep. Oh yeah. That's
Oh, that
dead.
wrecked him.
Oh shit.
Fucking wrecked him. He's dead.
Okay.
Yep, he's dead. Eat that.
Thank you, Nighthawk.
Okay, y'all are getting way too formal. Where's the energy?
Oh, it still gives you a chest?
Some
No
chatter
shit.
out there, huh?
The job's done, Cade. You can handle the chatter for a while.
Y'all didn't need me.
Don't mind if I do.
That beginning part was fucking ridiculous.
Your Nighthawk is nuts. Holy shit.
Now we just gotta upgrade this damn shotgun.
Yeah, you said you don't have to do the raid again, or you do to get it.
You do. At one point you have to do the raid. You have to collect tokens in the raid to upgrade it.
Really?
Yeah.
Fuck. So I shouldn't have used my tokens. In other words.
No, not those tokens. It's like different type of tokens.
Oh, you sure?
Like with